Of course you know how to use a toothbrush, but using a Philips Sonicare 2 Series plaque control is different. This power toothbrush has a velocity of up to 31,000 strokes per minute, which is why it's so effective in cleaning your teeth. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of it. Put a dab of toothpaste on the brush, about the size of a pea. Wet the brush, but don't turn it on until it's in your mouth. Once you start, keep the brush angled towards your gums at about 45 degrees. Slowly glide the brush from tooth to tooth. You don't need to apply extra pressure. The motion of the brush forces fluids between your teeth and along the gum line and helps you get those hard-to-reach areas for a more thorough clean. Don't forget your back teeth, the tops of your teeth, and the insides, both upper and lower. The Smart Timer helps you meet the dentist recommended brushing time of 2 minutes by letting you know when time's up. Every charge gives you 2 weeks or more brushing twice a day. For the best results, change your brush head every 3 months. Do all that, and you'll remove up to 6 times more tooth decaying plaque than with your old manual toothbrush. It's the difference you can see and feel. Guaranteed.
Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me so I follow. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how if I'll ever get back. Follow white rabbit.
The Waterpik Water Flosser is the easy and more effective way to floss. This is Brian. He's going to an important event tonight and needs to be at his best. He's using the Waterpik Water Flosser so his mouth will be clean and fresh. To get started, fill your reservoir with lukewarm water and place securely onto the base. Next, select the tip that's right for you and insert into the handle. Start on the lowest pressure setting, place the tip in your mouth, lean over a sink, and turn the power button on. Turn up to the setting that feels most comfortable to you. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing and let the water flow from your mouth. Use the pause button or on-off switch on the handle to temporarily stop the water flow. For best results, aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Starting with the back teeth, follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. After completing the front side, spin the tip around and clean the back side in the same way. All it takes is a minute a day for a cleaner, fresher, healthier mouth. In fact, Waterpik guarantees healthier gums in 14 days or your money back.
It's time to brush away the bacteria bugs. With the Bluetooth-connected Philips Sonicare for Kids and the specially designed app, your child will brush away all the bacteria bugs in Sparkly's mouth and learn to become a better brusher over time. 98% of parents surveyed say it's easier to get their kids to brush longer and better with Philips Sonicare for Kids and the coaching app. Are you ready to play? Let's find out how the app works. Are you a first-time user? Create a profile. Then it's time to adopt a Sparkly. The Sparkly will give you the first gift, a Philips Sonicare for Kids toothbrush to help to take care of your Sparkly's mouth and teeth. It will thank you with presents. The more you help it, the more your Sparkly will learn and evolve. Grab your Philips Sonicare for Kids. The app will automatically identify the toothbrush. Tap the Start Brushing button from the Sparkly's Play Space to start the brushing experience. Short and funny tutorial videos developed with dentists show how to brush better with a Philips Sonicare for Kids toothbrush. In the Get Ready screen, you can pick what flavor of toothpaste you want to brush your Sparkly's teeth with. Now you're ready to start the brushing session. Press the power on-off button on the Philips Sonicare for Kids handle. You will be guided to brush all 4 quadrants of the mouth. Eventually, when the brushing routine is finished and all bacteria are battled, it's time to get rewarded for the great job you have done. In the dashboard, the kids can track all of their achievements, and there's also a separate dashboard for parents to monitor progress and set up custom milestones and rewards. Innovation and you, Philips Sonicare.